Excuse me, madam.
Oh, hello.
I'm the manager from the supermarket you just shop.
Oh, manager. And I don't have change, but let me...
No. I don't need that. Our CCTV captured you stealing something from our store, and I would like to search you.
How dare you? How dare you accuse me of theft? How dare you tell me such? Do you know how much I
Madam, what's going on here?
This thing of a man came to meet me and told me that one CCTV caught me stealing. Do you know what I am worth? See, my powder can pay your salary times 3.
Madam, I have to search you.
He still has a mouth. Could you believe it?
Madam, to save yourself from this embarrassment, if you didn't take anything, just let him search you.
Simple. It's fine, but if you don't find anything on me, I will deal with you. And I'll call my boyfriend, Isbae U, He's popular. You will sleep in jail. Do you understand? Be careful with the body. Do you understand? Careful with my body. You just come to touch somebody's body.
This is a sobo.
Madam.
Manager.
Don't manager me. Let's see who'll sleep in jail now. Turn around.
Manager.
Turn around.
Manager.
You're going to this place.
Please. I can explain. I swear it's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like.
Please, just turn around.
Okay, see,
madam. Don't get me angry. Turn around.
See your mate.
Okay, wait. To be sincere, I swear, I did not take the ring, but I stole...
My AC remote.
I am meeting to have a year. See your mate.
You know what?
Oops.